Hello and welcome to Saros's classes. Today we are going to solve some questions based on quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most scoring portion also. As it requires only your basic numerical and mathematical skills like from +6 to +10. So people are used to get enough score to increase their total marks. Okay, so let's start with the first problem. Here we are given a minus 1 square plus b plus 2 square plus c plus 1 square equals to 0, and we need to find the value of 2a minus 3b plus 7c. Given that a minus 1 square plus b plus 2 square plus c plus 1 square is equals to 0. Now the square of three numbers cannot be 0 if they are individually zero, are not individually 0. Okay, that means a minus 1 is equals to 0, b plus 2 is equals to 0, and c plus 1 is equals to 0. So this implies a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 2, and c is equals to minus 1. So we got the values of a, b, c. Now it is pretty much easy to evaluate the value of 2a minus 3b plus 7c. So it is nothing but 2 into 1 minus 3 into minus 2 plus 7 into minus 1. That means 2 plus 6 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is equals to 1. Hence option D is the right answer. Okay. So now let's see the next question. Acid and water are mixed in a vessel A in the ratio of 5:2 and in the vessel B in the ratio 8:5. In what proportion should quantities be taken out from the two vessels so as to form a mixture in which the acid and water will be in the ratio of 9:4? So this is a problem based on ratio proportion. So we have two vessels, vessel A and vessel B, where we have acid and water. In vessel A, the proportion of acid is 5/7 and the proportion of water is 2/7, and in vessel B the acid proportion is 8/13 and the water proportion is 5/13. Now from these two mixtures we take should quantities be uh, uh, from these two mixture we take some amount of mixture in suppose in proportion of m/n. So suppose we take mixture from these two vessels in the ratio of m/n. Hence the amount of mixture from vessel A is mx, suppose, and the amount of mixture from vessel B is nx. Okay, therefore in the new mixture the amount of acid is mx into 5/7 plus nx into 8/13, where mx into 5/7, this is the amount of acid from vessel A, and the other portion is the acid from B. Similarly, the amount of water in the new mixture is mx into 2/7 plus nx into 5/13. Now by the question, the ratio of acid and water in the new mixture are the ratio of acid and water is 9:4. Therefore we can write 5mx/7 plus 8nx divided by 13 whole divided by 2mx/7 plus 5nx/13 is equals to 9/4. Or we can write 5m/7 plus 8n/13 whole divided by 2m/7 plus 5n/13 is equals to 9/4. Now if we add the numerator and denominator, we get 65m plus 56n whole divided by 26m plus 35n is equals to 9/4. Now if we divide n in both the numerator and denominator, we get 65m/n plus 56 divided by 26m/n plus 35 is equals to 9/4, and after cross multiplication we get 65 into 4 multiplied by m/n plus 56 into 4 is equals to 9 into 26 multiplied by m/n plus 35 into 9, and from this we get 65 into 4 minus 9 into 26 multiplied by m by n is equals to 35 into 9 minus 56 into 4. So after dividing, we get 35 into 9 minus 56 into 4 whole divided by 65 into 4 minus 9 into 26. So after calculating this, we get 91 by 26, and this is nothing but 7 by 2. So our required answer is 7:2. Okay, now let's check the third problem. The average of x numbers is y and the average of y numbers is x. Then the average of all numbers taken together is what? So by the question, the average of x numbers is y and the average of y numbers is x. Now we need to find the average of x plus y numbers. We already know the formula of pooled mean or pooled average, which is nothing but n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2, where ni be the number of xi's for all I 1, 2, and xi bar be the average of ith class for all I 1, 2. Now here we have the average y for x numbers, therefore we can write in place of the pooled mean that x into y plus y into x divided by x plus y. It is nothing but n1 x1 bar where y is the average of x numbers, and here we have n2 x2 bar where x is the average of y numbers and the total number is x plus y. So our required answer is 2x y divided by x plus y. Hence option B is the correct answer. So we have successfully solved 3 questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quant, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us in these two numbers 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.startofsysclasses.com. Thank you very much.